This 2022 Forest River Salem FSX 179 dBkx is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 22 feet 5 inches in length and features carbon monoxide detector, water heater, air conditioning, spare tire kit, TV antenna, stove top burner, smoke detector, refrigerator, awning, LP detector, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Salem FSX 179 dBkx is 3,455 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.